up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for tuning in. Today we have a special treat. My buddy Joe has an incredible S550 Mustang GT. That's got a little bit of power. In fact, it makes this Terminator look like nothing, but I'm super psyched to share this car with you. We're gonna go meet up, we're gonna go check it out, and maybe even take it for a ride. So let's go get it. So we're here with my buddy Joe's 2015 Mustang GT, absolutely gorgeous. It's a race red Mustang GT with a 2.9 liter Gen 2 Whipple on top. A lot of GT 500 custom touches, front bumper, splitter, side skirts. Rear of the car has a really aggressive look between that carbon fiber GT 500 wing and the rear splitter. It's just an absolute animal. This car with a VMP fuel system tuned by Mustang Magic in Deer Park, New York, made 810 rear wheel horsepower on E85. It's got a full exhaust and a Corsa Extreme catback. This car is anything but subtle. It's got a real classic Big and Littles look here with some welds, 17-inch skinnies up front and some sticky Mickeys on the back. It's got a nice matte black hood stripe. It's got a wrapped roof and wrapped side view mirrors. The 5.0 emblems are blacked out, but this car is a lot more than just good looks. Let's put the hood down and take it for a ride. So many looks, look at that. And snapping next to you, for God's sakes. Dude, you don't get that in any other car. Oh, this thing just wants to go. Yeah, definitely put your seatbelt on. Oh yeah, the brakes feel really good. Seriously? Put a little power in it. It's scary. I don't want to do this. I am giving it nothing, dude. So we're out in Joe's car. This thing is a freaking monster, dude. I don't know. It's got way too much power. Way too much power. I don't know if that's a possibility, but it's insane. Car just has tons of torque. Tons of torque. That's right, buddy. I guess you could drive it like this, but that's the only way to drive around. But it's no fun. Jesus. That blower sounds insane. And the brakes feel really, really good. I'm gonna make it right here.
Is that block we want to go?
I mean, I could, yeah, you can go down here on the thing. Jeez. It just sounds angry. It really, really does. Jesus. It just wants to go. You know what? It likes throttle. It actually likes more gas.
It revs out to 7,400.
I think that's what I'm not used to too.
Because you're used to the Fox bodies.
It is like, holy cow.
These are 373s in the back.
Yeah. Suspension feels really nice in this car. What suspension is in this?
Steeda.
Steeda?
Great in the back. Different toolings. Joe did a bunch of the suspension, I don't remember.
When the boost starts kicking a little bit, you can feel like...
You haven't filled the boost.
I know.
You haven't filled the boost yet.
This car is scary, dude. I'm not even kidding you. Actually, as long as you can get off. Yeah, that'll take you right there. Oh my God. So we just got back from a ride, and obviously I couldn't do this car justice. It has so much torque, so much power, it just feels like it wants to go. It's absolutely gorgeous. Joe took it in a ride, and we hit 55 miles an hour really quickly. Car felt incredible, has a beautiful sound, and what I appreciate most about this car, when you think about a car that has this type of horsepower level, it's very docile driving it in the street. It's just, you could probably drive this all day long. It's an incredibly balanced car. This thing didn't skip a beat the entire time. So thank you very much to Joe for letting me see this car, video it, taking me for a ride in it. And this car will definitely be at the Spring Dust Off car show, May 2nd at Mustang Magic. It's going to be a big show. Thanks again, Joe. This was awesome. Car's incredible. And if you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like what you see, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button so you can get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, I'm going to head back into my Cobra, which is going to feel incredibly slow after driving this, but it was awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.